black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot, that's done. Reppin' my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black stripe, yellow paint. I hear they scared of it, but them pros ain't. Soon as I hit the club, look at them roll face. Hit the pedal once, make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roaring. It's the big boy, you know what I paid for it. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you out here checking game, I'm ballin' out on every level. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you could tell them. Just made $1 million, got another $1 million on my schedule. No love for them, boy, I'm breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot, that's done. Reppin' my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Got a call from my jeweler, this just in. And women love me cause I'm messing with their best friends. Not a lesbian, but she a freak though. This ain't for one night, I'm shining all week, bro. I'm sipping Clico and rocking yellow diamonds. So many rocks up in my watch, I can't tell what the time is. Got a pocket full of big faces. Throw it up cause everybody that I'm with tailored. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot, that's done. Reppin' my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Stay fly like how I'm supposed to do. That crowd underneath them clouds can't get close to you. And my car look unapproachable. Super clean, but it's super mean. She wanna ride with them cats, smoke weed, count stacks, get fly, take trips, and that's that. Real rap, I let her get high as she want and she feel that. Convertible drop feel, 87 the top pill. Back, you know what it is.
Let's get it, mic check, I spit it. For them true B-ballers, them real hip-hoppers. Got you all talking, got you all watching. For the newest sensation in this new generation. Mass ballers, we ball for the masses and it's massive. Lady ballers, they do the same and they got that magic. Outlasting, smashing our competitors, way ahead of ya, and it just keeps getting better. Now you just got caught out on the court, and just to let you know we gon' have our day in court. And I'ma play the judge while I'm handing out these sentences. You trapped behind these bars, kinda like it was imprisonment. The center of attention, you would think I'm Pau Gasol. I handle the rock like Rondo, I do it all. I show you how to ball, every day I'm on my hustle. Gotta grind till we shine, cause every day is a struggle.
Yo, now you take out, I spot you 5 to make it fair. Baller, we gon' take it there, and I'ma make it clear. And after that you get the ring, it's your year. And after that we gon' party, no fear. The hottest team in Lynn, under 410. And I think I know Kitty Campbell is the baddest coach here. Under pressure, place your bets. You might get traded like Carmelo to the Knicks. Next, when your game's blessed, success. Just like a court triple threat, Pierce Allen and Garnett. Mass ballers, got game, who want it? Run game on the lady ballers, that's far-fetched. You ashamed if you think you ain't a target. When they slap down the full court, press on it. From the tip-off to the last shot clock tick. Said and done, sacrifice, put it all up. I go hard, mass ballers, game over. Shot clock ticking, time for the takeover. Ball up, next game. Here they go again, label us the underdogs with the souls of the champions.
Practice is the way to make all shots successful. That's why I'm in the range to make the target your face. You know, working on my speed and accuracy. To release forward, baseline on top of key. From the snap of the wrist, you hear the snap of the neck. Swish, cameras aim and snap that Kodak moment. Hit the court, we own it. Chemistry and performance. Offense and defense, playing the score with. Setting up the pressure in the 2-3 sequence. Up and down, back and forth, the incident is frequent. Oh yeah, we don't rob, we steal. Thank you. A quick fake and a crossover, sure to break your ankles. Take it strong through the hole. Bring it to your crew. Lay it up, they can't touch. Off the board, bang two. Hand one. Good luck, son. Free throw all in. Make way for the squad. That's right. We mass ballin'.
Crowd in the uproar. Game time. Soon as the ball hits the floor, I want mine. Pass me the rock. Beat Kobe scored and run out the clock. Say we the champions. Yes, we is. On the quarters where we handle our biz. 10-1 saying we gon' win. Favorite team like we chosen on the ESPN. Not the team to count out. Whole team nice, just in case we foul out. All-stars feature first round draft picks. Going to the top, don't have to ask it. Highlights, replays on every basket. All switch, no bricks. Fast break, crossover, shake LeBron out his kicks. Next game, there they go again. Label us the underdogs with the souls of the champions. Go hard each quarter. Take over from the mass ballers. Game over.
Go hard, mass ballers, game over. Shot clock ticking, time for the takeover. Ball up, next game. Here they go again, label us the underdogs with the souls of the champions.
We stand tall and talented, guarding like Madison. Checking opponents like numerous boxes that's balloted. Take the court galloping, physically vigorous. The mental simultaneous, we studiously rigorous. Break your movements down, make algorithms. Compute and calculate correct defense mechanisms. Pin the ball and gain possession in one swift action. Muscle fibers twitching, quick reaction. Plan change direction, high streaking from the traction. Throw the outlet to get the fast break in action. The ball we get to the point like a frustrated listener. Advance while you serenade the ref like the commissioner. Looking for the whistle to no avail. We hiking up the court while you helplessly trail with wings on either side speeding up. It's an easy score, eventually you're 3-on-2. What you gonna do? Potentially throw the lob to the clouds and create thunder, or drowning with the bounce pass. Emerging, take them under, they converge on that. Stop and pop the pull-up jumper or straight down the lane for the teardrop runner. The options endless, like my opportunities victorious. Vainglorious champs we soon to be, so contact the jeweler for the jewelry. Rings getting redundant, trophies abundant. To lose is lunacy, we massive. Yo.
Go hard, mass ballers, game over. Shot clock ticking, time for the takeover. Ball up, next game. Here they go again, label us the underdogs with the souls of the champions.
Go hard.